Okay.
I'm recording.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Tell you what, this is one we could really use a real camera.
Yeah.
All this prep work. I'm now that I'm looking at it, there's just so much activity there.
Yeah, it would be nice.
I mean, this is what Deanna could sell.
Yeah.
What's this got? Plastic rubber gloves, good.
Yeah.
He doesn't like to get dirty.
Does this like restart itself?
It's recording. No, every time you hit the button, you'll see right there. It's recording down there. You see it's counting.
Right.
1, 2, 126.
Yeah. But it's been like that for a very long time. I kept on restarting, shutting off, and restarting. Am I recording over everything?
I think what it does is it saves it just as fast.
Well, I hope so.
I'm going to just double check.